Build OS Android v8.0 Oreo. Dimensions 140.9 by 73 by 7.5 mm. Weight 156 grams. SIM hybrid dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby. Colors tempered blue, polished blue, steel, polished copper. Frequency 2G band SIM 1, GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. SIM 2, GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. 3G band STPA 850, 900, 1900, 2100. 4G band LTE band 1 2100, 2 1900, 3 1800, 4 1000. Processor CPU octa-core, 4x2.5 GHz Cryo plus 4x1.8 GHz Cryo. Chipset Qualcomm MSM8998 Snapdragon 835. GPU Adreno 540. Display technology OLED capacitive touchscreen, 16 colors. Size 5.5 inches. Resolution 1440 by 2560 pixels, 534 ppi. Protection Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Extra features always on display. Memory built-in 128GB built-in, 6GB RAM. Card microSD card, supports up to 256GB, uses SIM 2 slot. Camera main 12MP, f/1.75 plus 13MP, f/2.6, autofocus, dual LED dual tone flash. Features dual pixel phase detection, 2x optical zoom, Carl Zeiss optics, geotagging, touch focus, face detection, HDR, panorama, video, 2160p at 30 fps, 1080p at 30 fps. Front 5MP, f/2.0, 1080p. Connectivity LAN Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/NAC, dual band, Wi-Fi Direct, hotspot. Bluetooth v5.0 with a 2DP, LA. GPS Yes plus a GPS support and GLONASS, BDS. USB 3.1, Type-C 1.0 reversible connector. NFC Yes. Data GPRS, Edge, 3G, HSPA 42.25.76 Mbps, 4G, LTE-A, 3Ca, Cat 13 600 150 Mbps. Features sensors accelerometer, barometer, compass, fingerprint, front-mounted, gyro, proximity. Audio 3.5mm audio jack, 24-bit/192 kHz audio, Nokia Ozo audio with 3 mix, MP4/H.264 player, MP3/WAV/EAC+ FLAC speakerphone. Browser HTML5. Messaging SMS threaded view, MMS, email, push mail, Games built-in plus downloadable. Torch Yes. Extra front and back Gorilla Glass 5, stainless steel frame, active noise cancellation with dedicated mic, photo, video editor, document viewer. Battery capacity, Li-ion non-removable, 3260 mAh. Standby up to 495 hours. Talk time up to 22 hours. Music play up to 11 hours. Fast battery charging, quick charge 4.0, G wireless charging.